Today we'll talk about how can you enable fraud tracker on your Lifesum app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just click here on set your habits, click on it here. When you click on set your habits, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on free tracker, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to free tracker, then you click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. Then you go down, click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.